Hi ladies, this is a video of some glitter mixes that I got. This one's from Unique Nail Creations from eBay, and this is her thing on Instagram. This one's called Cotton Candy Snow. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. What's it got in it? Oh, little pink snowflakes. Look at that. And blue. Very pretty. And then I got this one called the Faulty Unicorn. And then I got this one called Totally Retro. And these came with it. Then I got this from eBay. The links will be at the bottom. For my nails, they're really tiny. And I thought they would be a little bit bigger than the sprinkles you get that you can actually eat. So I got that. Then I got this on Aliexpress. Oops, upside down. Link will be in the description box. And then I got these from eBay. Oops. That's what it's called, and the links will be down below. Beautiful. This was a freebie. And this was a freebie too, but I thought, it's really pretty, but that's the name of it, Cotton Candy Dreams. I love this one from eBay. Oh no, yeah, eBay. Wild Child. And this one's for St. Patrick's Day. Irish Luck. Then I got these two things. And this thing. Let me probably roll it up here. This thing from Wildflowers, and put my bits in there to clean them. And I got these three mixes that I bought. This one I think I got for free. It's called Queen. You don't get much, but it's pretty. It's free. This is called Survivor. Isn't that pretty? These are Wildflowers. This is, since it's called Cincinnati, like the Bengals. Okay, and then these mixes I got off of Aliexpress, and the link will be below. It's number 20. $18. Why is that thing doing that? Blinking like that. That's pretty. And that's 37. $21. It's number 17. My camera's not doing these colors justice. They're way prettier in person. Number 40. Number 39. And that's all I have for this video. I'll put all the links in the description box. I hope you will like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. See you later, ladies. Have a great day. Bye.